All right, so to find the videos under your My Math Lab, when you click My Math Lab on the left-hand panel, you're going to see the third option down says My Lab Math Multimedia Library. So when you click on that, you'll get a screen where you can decide what chapter and what sections you want. So say you missed some section in chapter 4, which was our fractions, and you wanted to go over how to multiply and divide fractions again. So under chapter, you go chapter 4, and then it'll show you all the sections from chapter 4. So let's pick multiplying and dividing fractions, and then come over here and select section video lectures, and then hit find now. So when you scroll down, there's all the section video lectures that were just on multiplying and dividing fractions. So here's a really long one, 19 minutes on just that section. So when you click on it, the author of our textbook is going to come up, and then she is going to work on some problems out of that section. So if you missed class, now you have a way to watch a lecture on that particular section. So I recommend watching those before you start thinking about your regrades. And then, so watch a couple of the sections on the material that you missed, and then you can get in there and fix your tests. Okay? Let me know if you guys have any questions.